5 tips on how to write a blog post even if you're not a natural-born writer. How to write a blog post that actually gets traffic. If you're a business owner, you've likely heard that blogging is a great way to market your business. And it's true. Blogging can be an incredibly effective marketing tool. But what if you're not a natural-born writer? What if the thought of sitting down and putting together a coherent blog post makes you break out in a cold sweat? Don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, many business owners struggle with the same thing. The good news is that there are some simple things you can do to make the process of writing a blog post easier. In this article, we'll share with you 5 tips on how to write a blog post even if you're not a natural-born writer. 1. Start with a catchy headline. The first step to writing a great blog post is to come up with a catchy headline. After all, your headline is what will make people want to click and read your post. Spend some time brainstorming different headlines until you find one that's both attention-grabbing and relevant to your topic. 2. Keep it short and sweet. When it comes to blog posts, shorter is almost always better. No one wants to read a long, rambling post that goes on for pages and pages. Instead, try to keep your posts focused and concise. Get your point across in as few words as possible. 3. Use simple language. Remember, your blog is not a place to show off your big vocabulary. It's a place for you to communicate with your audience in a way that's easy for them to understand. So instead of using complicated words and jargon, stick to using simple language that everyone can understand. 4. Use images, graphics, and videos. One great way to make your blog posts more engaging is to use images, graphics, and videos. A well-placed image can break up the text and make your post more visually appealing. And if you really want to go the extra mile, you can even create your own videos or infographics to accompany your post. 5. Be personal. Finally, don't be afraid to infuse your blog posts with a bit of personality. Write like you would speak to a friend. Let your unique voice shine through. Your readers will appreciate the more personal touch, and it will make your blog feel more relatable and approachable. Blogging doesn't have to be hard. By following these simple tips, you can write great blog posts even if you're not a natural-born writer. Just take it one step at a time, and soon you'll be cranking out high-quality content like a pro. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media, and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels, and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.